What's the meaning of bombproof? Bombproof. Bombproof.
Bombproof. Bombproof. The term bombproof typically refers to something that is extremely durable and can withstand the force of a bomb explosion. It is often used to describe military equipment or structures designed to protect people from harm. In a broader sense, it can also refer to anything that is extremely reliable and resistant to failure or damage, such as a computer system or a financial plan. Overall, the result of something being bomb-proof is that it provides a high degree of safety and security in situations where danger and uncertainty are present.